You're going on that car today, whether you want to or not. Fight me. Okay, so quick status update before we do everything else. We've got the block smoothed out about as good as it can be. We cleared out all of these passages, ran up some of the old head studs, head bolts, just to make sure that all the threads are clear. We cleaned it out. We're gonna put a little why can't I talk? A little Marvel mystery oil inside these bad boys, just to make sure that we don't mess anything up when we go to start it. I think we're ready to put the head studs on. We ran into a little bit of a hiccup while we were working on getting the head put on. We got the head studs put in, but here's the thing. If you guys haven't noticed, this shop is actually pretty open to the elements. And I like it here because, you know, right down there we have a nice creek, so you get a little cool air coming from off that. It's not bad during the middle of the day, but I really should have kept this head in the car. That's what we call dirt daubers. I don't know what you call them. They're little wannabe wasp things that just make these like dirt nests everywhere. I wanted to have this done yesterday, but I didn't. I did have some help from a good friend of mine, who, I don't know if he wants to be on camera or not. We'll see if he comes back today. But the problem that we're having with this, the head itself, is they set up in just about everything, and we didn't have a tap and die set for these. So went back to my friend Kelly's house, got his tap and die set, and I'm gonna go ahead and just clear all of these out, because as soon as we get these cleared out, we can start putting the head on. I'm so freaking excited. Yes, happy dance. Okay, I'm gonna stop doing that now. So here's the good news. We've got all of the bolt holes cleaned up. We've got the intake on. We're gonna drop this thing on the car. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. I'm like a kid at Christmas right now, just because I haven't seen this car this close to being together in almost a year now. And yeah, awesome.
Where did he go?
Follow me. Seriously?
Did you just lose the tip of it?
Just the tip. God, Permatex, get
Hey, don't be pointing that at us.
Get on the ball with your pack. Originally I was going to use an MLS gasket, but after literally everyone on the internet said, don't, and several mechanical friends said, don't, and I showed it to Kelly, and he just went, yeah, don't. Am I spraying too much on this?
That'll be enough.
You sure?
Yep. You just wanted it coated.
Oh,
looks pretty coated to me.
Now I have fancy copper gloves. They're heat resistant, right?
Stop. You need to clean the surface of the head.
Okay. I should have done that first.
And find a spot to hang that up.
Love the smell of brake clean in the morning. The head is on. It's flat. It's not going anywhere. I've still got these wires to run later on. And if you guys happen to spot anything that I missed, you DSM junkies, yell at me, because all I'm going to do is tore down these head bolts, and then I think we're going to call this a win. Following the manufacturer recommended torque sequence, tighten the nuts in 3 equal steps to 90 for the ARP. Why aren't there more child mechanics? They have tiny hands, they'd be great at it. Okay, Kelly, might need help, I can't get that. Let's go on. See, I'm already failing spectacularly. That's because that spring is right there. Now it's stuck. Wow, I have failed putting a washer on a bolt. See, it's stuck on that right there. I know you guys can't see my face, but every time I go to one, I'm looking at Kelly, kind of like I'm that kid, like, should I, is this right? Is this the right one? This one? Is this the right one? You sure? Pause.
Straight up.
Oh yeah, I just realized I'm wearing this gas monkey shirt that somebody got me for the first time today and actually working on my car. Take that, Richard Rawlings, because you totally watch my 3,000 subscriber YouTube channel. It's done. It's tight. The head is on. I don't know what to do with myself now. Like, do I just leave it alone for another year? Like, I didn't ever know I would get this far. There's still so much to do. Everybody knows that 10mm sockets have this bad habit of going just completely missing. I've come up with a solution. Follow me. Follow me. Walk this way. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present the 10mm guard spider. If you get close enough, he will attack. Hey there, little guy. So, if your 10mm goes missing, like constantly, 10mm guard spider. You heard it here first.